Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video and I hope you guys are doing well. And today is Friday and I just came back from work and man, I'm exhausted. Like I've been going to the office a lot lately because there's deadlines looming, so there's quite a couple of things that has to be done. And like going to the gym has been quite a challenge because I have to drive to the gym and then come back and then drive to work. So that has been quite a challenge, but that's all about to change. Spoiler alert, we have a massive unboxing to do and it's all thanks to you guys for liking and subscribing and engaging with the content, and that's why we are where we are today. And this is a massive leap for the channel, so please continue engaging with the content. But yeah, the plan for today is to take you through my 5 to 9 routine. So basically what I do when I come back from work on days where I have a couple of things to do. But on a typical day, I'll come back, chill on the couch, have some dinner, unwind and get ready for the next day. But yeah, today I'm gonna do some editing and then I have some work to do. And then tomorrow I'm planning to go to like a hike. So yeah, stay tuned, man. And if this is your first time here, I'm Itumeleng and this is my life in 4K. So please like and subscribe, man. Welcome aboard, welcome to the family. But yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, here it is, my new home gym space. And I received this package a few days ago and honestly it was a little bit intimidating at first, but that's just because this is a solid piece of hardware. But enough talking, let's do some unboxing. As soon as I opened it, I was genuinely impressed by the build quality here. And a quick heads up, this thing is pretty heavy, so you'll definitely need an extra pair of hands. And I wanted to make sure I was unboxing it the right way, so I checked their YouTube channel and their videos are really helpful and easy to follow. And as you can see, this unit comes pre-assembled, so once you get it out, you'll realize it's actually quite easy to move around because of the built-in wheels. And before we start, make sure the safety buckle on the foot platform is locked in properly. This is a really important step before training. And man, a big shout out to Speediance for sending this unit over. I will leave links to their products in the description, so please go check them out. And once you switch it on, you're greeted by this massive HD touchscreen display. And man, the UI feels incredibly responsive. You just do the initial setup, create an account, or even log in as a guest. And I'm excited to see that you can even log into your Apple account and play your favorite playlists during your workouts. And I'm really sorry to divert, but I was shocked by the sound quality here. It actually has 2 full range speakers and a built-in subwoofer. So it really pulls you into like a high energy workout environment with that punchy bass. And next up, let's take a look at what accessories you get. And in this box, you get a Bluetooth smart ring. It's for controlling and adjusting the weights on the fly. And with the rubber attachment, you simply clip it onto your second index finger like this. And you also get these pamphlets for their social media and community pages. And you also get this nice envelope with the manual inside. And yes, we are actually going to read it. And you also get this ankle straps and this platform angle adapters that mount to the bottom, and they just help position the cable for exercises that you do on the deck. And because we got the Gym Monster Family Plus, it comes with a couple of accessories, and I will definitely show some of them when we do the exercises later. In the main box, you also get the smart barbell. And now let's assemble the bench. And the build quality of the bench is amazing. And to adjust the bench, you simply just pop the adjustment pin. And lastly, we have the rower. Comes with the track and the seat and the foot plate. And surprisingly, the assembly was really simple. After you're done screwing in the seat, you simply anchor the rower onto the base. And now that everything is locked in and ready, let's go and change into some gym clothes and test everything out. And in the cardio section, I see this easygoing recovery row and I think, let's try it out.
Hello Speediance, welcome back. It is Coach Steph here, and today we have the...
Before we begin, let's connect the rowing handle. It has a dedicated slot between R6 and R7. Now, let's connect the Bluetooth smart ring so that we can do the controls without having to reach for the screen. And now that everything is connected, let's start rowing.
Right, what we're going to start with first, right, pushing out a position of 1, right, we're just going to start off with some lifting, moving another couple seconds or so, just getting dialed on that floor.
Man, the resistance feels so real, and because it's digital weight, there's no like momentum or slack. It's like constant tension throughout. And what's also nice is that the screen shows live workout analytics in real time, so you can see everything as you train. And I'll be testing more features in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Hey Siri, switch on kitchen light bar.
Will do.
pulled brisket flatbread with a side salad. And then to drink, I will have a cappuccino with almond milk. Thank you.
That's what. That's what. You're what with
Hi guys, welcome to today. Today is Saturday and I just did the Hennops River hike, and I must say they have some really nice views there and some nice scenic routes. In terms of difficulty, the hike was not that difficult. I think it took us like 3 hours 25 minutes, but I think I could have done it in a shorter amount of time. It's just that I was just distracted, man. Along the way I took a couple of snaps. But yeah, man, now we're here at the Reflection and I'm just having brunch with my favorite regular almond cappuccino, and it tastes really nice. It tastes like heaven. It tastes like today's gonna be a good day as usual. And I ordered pulled brisket and guac and salsa on flatbread and some salad on the side, but they gave me fries, and if you guys know me, I can never say no to fries. So yeah, man, I had some fries, but yeah, the food was really amazing. The food was nice. But yeah, man, I'll catch you guys in the next one. And if you watched up to this point, I really appreciate you, and this channel is where it is today because of you guys. I think in the next couple of months I will try and set up my social media accounts. You guys have asked nicely and you guys are subscribing, so I will do that. But yeah, man, I appreciate you guys. Stay safe. Peace.